options. So let's go to the video of today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, you know, all that, and let's jump in. Right, so today we're gonna start with $210 on our balance. Let's see what we can do with that. Let's jump into this trend right now. Put option for a 1 minute, $210. Basically we have a nice trend going on, nice bearish trend, so let's just enjoy this. Hopefully it works out, but it shouldn't be any problem there, basically, as there was a kind of a pullback there, right? And the price would continue to go down, at least for now. As you can see, the stochastic oscillator is forming there in the minimums. Nice indication that the price would start going up soon, but that will happen after. For now, I think we have enough time and we should take the profit out of this little situation, and we did. $399, we got it. So the next option here would be into the long. I would wait a little bit here until we have nice sign of the price starting to go up. That's where I would enter into this one. But let's just change this to $399, $400 already. Go to here and let's see. There is an indication that the trend is still going up, so let's just jump in. There's also a pin bar there that indicates the price is gonna go up. But yeah, basically there is a strong impulse from the bull, and we're just gonna jump into this one before it starts losing its power, because in the maximums here it will start to go in kind of into a flat, and then the price would just go down. But for now, I think we have just a bit of time. Hopefully, look at it. It's kind of volatile there. As like this would be good, but after this, I think it's just gonna stop. So the bull trend would stop. So let's just wait for the rest of the time. It should finish about now. And there we are. There we are, 758 on this option. Let's go to our next victim. Right now I expect here for example, if I continued here, that's when it would start losing its power. And then here we have a different situation. The price is actually starting to go up. This green candle is a good indication, and we enter here for the 1 minute, 758 into the call option. Maybe you would sometimes wait a bit more, just a little bit more, because see what happens in the other one, like the peak before. It went up and down, but this is a pretty good indication, this impulse of the bull. Yeah, that's good. So now on the next couple of bars, I would enter. That's when you want to enter. Here I'm kind of going with my intuition as well, that I'm correct. The stochastic is surely showing us some good signs there. So yeah, let's go ahead. And then also the parabolic SAR is at the top of our, here we are, here's the profit at the top of the graph. So okay, $1,432 here, and we're going to okay, so the 1,000 is going to be our next option. Let's have a look. Where should we do it here? Actually, this is what I'm talking about. This is a good point to enter just in about 30 seconds. If it continues to grow, it would be a nice way to go in. But I might go and check out other stuff that's going on with the different currencies. Let's have a look. So let's change to this one. Okay, that's a good sign to sell. Again, we have the stochastic oscillator is giving us this direction, and then also we're on the maximums, so most of the times it doesn't hold there for too long, so the price would drop. So this is a good point to go down. So okay, let's wait for the result of this. And here is the profit from this one. 89% from 1,000. In total, $2,322. Let's see if we can make our next option 2,000. Okay. Let's just think about here. Okay, this resistance level can help us get a bit of profit from this situation. Let's go for 2,000 and a put option, as we're expecting the price to drop in this at this point. And let's see if we're correct. And here is the profit from this one. We had the opportunity to make profit from this, but as you can see now, the price is actually trying to break this resistance level. It might do that when it's collecting like this just below. It's collecting its power, and it might just do that. Okay, let's go and just check out what's going on in the different currencies. Similar situation. We're gonna go ahead and try to profit from this also. 4,000 option at this point, and just the same situation. What I'm doing is this. I'm trying to profit from this little situation of so there's a resistance level, and the price basically it's not always is breaking through, or not always is breaking through exactly straight away. It has some strong bullish moods here, but I'm expecting it to just collect there for a bit and maybe try to break it, but actually okay, it's looking good so far, so I'm hoping we can make some profit. Oh, partly. Okay, partly. It's not too bad. That's not too bad. So see what can happen. That can happen. Because, as I said, the price, it wants to break through the resistance level. But we still made a bit of profit here. On the balance, we have $5,762. The next option is going to be a 5,000. Okay. What's going on here? Let's just go to the next one. This one was not so lucky. right here we can go ahead and enter into a long 2, 3, 5. Okay, as the basically it's a bit of a pullback. I see a nice. This is a situation where stochastic oscillator is showing a bit different situation. Divergency. So we have a bullish trend, yeah, and then we have a pullback at which we enter into long, because I'm expecting the price still going up. That's where the situation where stochastic is showing opposite. It looks like it's going down, but actually the trend is going up. So, and then but also it does show the correct indication, the stochastic oscillator, as it crosses the slower line now, and we already profited. We already profited from this. $10,000 on our balance already. Okay, the next option, shall we do, let's change to this currency. Okay. Let's just try this here. So we see the okay, let's just jump into this trend here. Right about there for 6,000. Oh, 6 for the put option. There's a strong bearish trend, although again the stochastic is showing some signs of the price going up, but I'm going with a trend, so I think we're on the right path here. So let's wait for the result of this one and we'll see. This is the moment of truth. Ooh, here it is, here it is. Wow, this was intense, as actually our option was not so correct. The price is actually starts to going up, but we were in this little price range that we actually had, and the right moment and the right time. So this was a lot of also luck in this one. Basically the stochastic oscillator is showing the correct situation here. The price is going up. I mean, it could be a pullback, because generally if I had longer time frame, I would go in for the put option still. So because of the bearish trend. Okay guys, we're gonna stop here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, consider subscribing, like, comment, you know, all the stuff, and also the description to this video. There's a lot of useful information, links, all the necessary stuff. And I'll see you all next time. Good luck and goodbye.